This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel. See the world through Tanvir Kazmi again. I'm here to discuss an important news that was coming for many months now, many years basically, but now a little bit more about USA planes, airplanes, fighter planes, and other country plane are continue bombing Yemen. Yemen is a country which is very, very poverty in poverty. Yes, we have disagreement. We have some issues there, but killing people from the bus, throwing bomb from the sky, what kind of solution is that? We keep in your mind when bomb comes from the sky and falls, it does not know who is behind that. It spreads debris. When a house falls, it kills anything, anybody under that. Whether it's shopkeeper, whether it's a child, whether it's a female, or elderly, or any innocent man. We are not animals. We are humans. We are families spread all over the world. And so many I'm watching those many newspapers in the Middle East. I'm looking at their when the bomb falls, how many innocent people are dying, how much suffering. This country is already in poverty. Yes, there's a problem. If you have a problem, it's better to talk. You have big. It's not difficult to talk, and you use a lot of good people around there who will help you make negotiation with the people who are not cooperating or giving trouble. So if somebody a criminal, maybe a few hundreds, why I'm authorized to taking life of innocent people or destroy the infrastructure which takes years and years to build. Those are very poor countries. I know how much time and suffering and how much effort it takes to build one house. So I would request both parties in the world that let's not bombing innocent people. There's a way to fix the problem. Use your brain, use your intelligence, use your teaching of how the books they talk to each other and you fix the problem. Let's stop now killing those innocent people and destroying the mosque and everything. Let's bring peace in the world. We can resolve things, many things through peaceful dialogue. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.